Meet one of the most unusual and humble philanthropists in the world. Ms. Chen, who was born in 1950, spent most of her childhood in poverty but credits it as a source of motivation. Ms. Chen has donated approximately 10 million Taiwanese dollars, $350,000, to the construction of a school library and a hospital wing over the last 2 decades. The donations included money inherited from her father, royalties from a book written about her and cash prizes for her work. She was inspired to help other poor individuals as a result of her experience. Her mother died of dystocia, and the family couldn't afford to pay the NTD $5,000 in medical bills. She decided to work as a vegetable vendor to support her family. Her youngest brother got a serious flu in 1969 and died the following year. Despite receiving medical treatment due to a donation from Chen Elementary School, ShuJu took on the financial burden of living and allowed her older brother to attend college. And she remained single for the time being. Unfortunately, her second youngest brother died in a traffic accident. Looking back, she used to despise her life because of what had happened to her. So she spent much of her time attempting to get away from the darkness. She used to believe that society was cruel and unpleasant. But that changed after she found shelter in Buddhism. She was able to let go of the past thanks to the religion's power and support. She bought a little house after decades of selling vegetables. But she continues to live a very humble life. Her daily spending is less than NTD $100, which is about USD $3. She has been a vegetarian for a long time as a Buddhist. And she makes every penny count. However, she always donates a lot of her deposit to those in need. After her father died in 1993, ShuChu donated NTD $1 million to Fo Guang Buddhist Academy. In 1997, she donated NTD $1 million to her alma mater, Chen Elementary School, to help poor children afford their education. Since she could not afford to go to school in her early age, she has the desire to help more children to receive better education. She then donated Chen Elementary School NTD $4.5 million to build its own library. ShuJu has adopted 3 abandoned children through the Christian Kids Alive International Association during the last 10 years and donates NTD $36,000 each year. ShuJu Chen was invited to the Taidong city government's flag-raising ceremony for the Republic of China's 107th National Day. She announced at the ceremony that she had donated her 2 life insurance policies to the East-based Medical Foundation Taidong Christian Hospital and the Mackay Memorial Hospital Taidong branch, respectively, to establish the Ms. Chen ShuJu Medical Fund for Poor and Cancer Patients, and Ms. Chen ShuJu Medical Fund for Charities. The total value of the 2 insurance policies is NTD $16 million. The money will be paid by the insurer after ShuJu Chen's death. Ms. Chen, who has never married, will never forget her brother's teachers and students' efforts to gather funds for him. I feel like I owe a lot of people. I believe I need to earn more money in order to help others, she explains. Ms. Chen's good works immediately drew attention, and she was named the model of philanthropy by local authorities. The accolades began to pour in from all across the world. In 2010, Time magazine named her one of the 100 most important persons in the world. She was voted Asian of the Year by Reader's Digest, and she was named one of Forbes Asia's 48 philanthropic heroes. Ms. Chen was also chosen one of 6 Ramon Magsaysay Award winners for her work with the poor, receiving a cash prize of $50,000. She gave the entire sum to Taidong's Mackay Memorial Institution, sparking a flood of donations that allowed the hospital to construct a new medical wing. She is still focused on selling veggies in order to increase her income so that she can help others. Despite the long hours and her personal health issues, Ms. Chen has no intentions to retire, stating that she would like to do this forever. My dream is to be able to work until I pass out. Money is only helpful if it is distributed to those in need, she stated. What's so wonderful about Chen's achievement is not its extraordinariness but that it is so simple and matter-of-fact in its generosity. Money serves its purpose only when it is used for those who need it, she told a newspaper. She fell ill from appendicitis in early February 2018, when she was 67 years old, and has been resting at a temple in Kaohsiung. She was rushed to the hospital and had to undergo an emergency operation. Despite the fact that she was saved, she has yet to fully recover, which is why her vegetable stand has been closed since then. Chen ShuJu considers those who require help first. She gives her all and does everything she can to help the community.